Hi friends, welcome to Live at Chennai. This is Mr. Srinivas. Today I am going to draw actor Sivakarthikeyan from Maaveeran movie. This is a poster, and now I'm going to use HB pencil for making initial outline. Always I start from eye. Following the eye, I'll draw eyebrow, nose and lips and beard. So now the nose and eyes and eyebrows over, now lips and mustache and beard. So doing it very carefully. Then hair and beard, ear, all is drawn by normal HB pencil. So after this I'm going to draw a final outline with a brown color pencil. Maybe it's going very fast because I shot the video in a time-lapse mode. Now almost the initial sketch is over. Now I'm using brown color for the final outline. Once the final outline is over, then I'll erase all the pencil lines to have the clear outline. Now I'm erasing. So now you have the clean outline, right? It is ready to start with the color pencil. But first I'll do the background yellow color with the circle, and then aqua blue around that circle like a sky. But in real pictures there was more detailing work in that, but I avoided that because it takes a long time. I'm just giving dark orange around the face and yellow background. So aqua blue. Actually I'm using pencil brand is Dom's Super Soft, but it's very cheap but looks very good in color. It's so vibrant, but I'm not sure about the light fastening and how long it will stay. Now I have zoomed the face for the hair part. So I'm using Staedtler 8B pencil for hair. Staedtler 8B pencil is very good for giving much torque as much as you expected. It's good to use. You see, for hair I'm leaving the highlight as a sheet white. Later I'll give aqua green and little green because the highlights are having green tone. So I don't want to cover highlight with a black pencil, because once you did highlight with a black, then it will be hard to erase it, and you cannot give highlight. You need more and more practice to give strokes like this in a single attempt. Actually this picture is looking like melting in the backside. I'm also simply following that. If you want to take a picture of this original, you can search in the Google, typing Maaveeran poster. You see, I have left some white spots, so I'm filling with the aqua, green and blue. Now I'm just increasing the darkness of the air. See, but you always try to do darkness with step by step, but sometimes we can give it a single attempt, but sometimes you can try with many attempts to bring out that darkness. Now I'm using dark brown pencil for dark spot. So following that, I'll use another light brown or peach color. But this portrait was a little quicker one than other portraits because it's a side view. We don't need to draw the nose, other part, and ears and face of the other part. So we are drawing only the one view. See, even on the beard area, so I have given brown tone. See, mostly I have done this with strokes, not a smoother tone. There are some green reflection on the beard and mustache. So also I'm giving a peach color. So now I'm drawing the eyebrow with the stellar pencil. I also did with the stellar pencil. So you have to understand one concept that I'm improving darkness step by step. Some area we can give black tone in the final touch, otherwise the black color will mix with the skin tone. But in this picture, beard and mustache will look so beautiful. Even in the real picture, it looks good. So slowly I'm doing. See, for this beard area, because beard is not too much lengthy or too short, it's look like the intermediate size. It's like 2 weeks grown beard. So keep your pencil always sharp so that you can get this much sharper line and separate lines. Do it carefully with the beard, hair shape and the direction where it follows. Actually, this picture is more of creative because the backside of the portrait is melting down. As almost the portrait is over. As I say, I used to do all drawings nowadays in a time lapse simply because people used to keep the video and watch, so that I'm not doing some real time videos. Real time videos also take a lot of space in mobile phone, so it is hard to shoot in a real mode. Okay, I think you like this video tutorial, so if you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll come with another video. Thank you. Bye.